this cheap little drone will fly. Oh, lovely. Yeah, we can't fly it in this. Anyway, this is what it was. I bought it a while ago. I flew it in the house and it kept crashing into things. And the more it crashed, I think the worse it got. I don't honestly think I could fly it if the wind does that again. I don't remember how this thing even works. Okay. Uh-oh. Already crashed it. Just like that. And the bad thing about this is it just takes off and it goes. And every time it crashes, the propeller comes off. Every single fucking time. I don't know why. So, we need to go somewhere else. Let's see if we can actually, like, fly it. But, there's dirt and stuff back here. It's very windy. So this isn't going to work well. It immediately just took off, too. Yeah, I can't fly this thing here. It's got a button that says stunt. So when I push the button, it just starts to spin and take off. And I literally killed it real fast. It won't stay in any place. Like, I don't know where the hell you would fly this thing in a rubber room. It just wants to take off super fast. You see how it just keeps going? Like, hold on. It won't really stay in one spot. God damn it. It really, really is difficult to fly. Dang. Again. But it did knock off one of the propellers that time. It just starts going places real fast. Oh, that thing hit my hand and it hurt. Yeah, it smacked my hand. You can see where it left a welt on my hand. That didn't show up in the camera. So, with this thing here, you need to 3D print some kind of guard to put around it. Because the problem is the guards that it comes with they're not enough to do anything. But it's kind of cute. It's neat. But somehow it still hit my hand. I don't know how it hit my hand, but it did. But normally I think I would probably take this thing back, but I think I've had it too long to return it. They can't fly it in the house. It moves too rapidly. It just, you need like a big huge field for this tiny little thing, because it just drifts. I don't know. It seems like there's it's just coming on at high speed. Let me try putting it over here. Oh my god. Yeah, that thing totally took off and went all the way over there.